Welcome to our video on how mastering CAD software can give you a competitive edge. In today's ultra-competitive world, having the right tools and skills can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore how CAD software can improve your design skills and help you stay ahead of the competition. So what exactly is CAD software? In simple terms, it's a type of computer program that helps designers create and modify visual representations of three-dimensional objects. This means that instead of working with physical models or drawings, designers can create and refine virtual models on their computer screen. CAD software has become a standard tool in many industries, including automotive, aerospace, architecture, and more. Now let's dive into the advantages of mastering CAD software. First and foremost, it allows designers to create more complex designs with ease. By using CAD software, you can easily add intricate details, test different materials, and simulate how your design will behave in the real world. This helps you bring your vision to life and create more innovative products. Another advantage of CAD software is that it can help reduce errors in the design process. By working with virtual models, designers can spot potential issues before production begins. This saves time, reduces costs, and ensures that your final product is error-free. With CAD software, you can also make changes quickly and easily, without having to start from scratch. Time is money, and CAD software can help you save both. By using built-in features like automation and templates, you can streamline your design process and work more efficiently. This means you can complete projects faster and take on more work without sacrificing quality. CAD software also makes it easy to communicate your ideas with clients, colleagues, and manufacturers in a clear and precise way. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of how CAD software is used today. In the automotive industry, designers use CAD software to create and test car models before they're even built. In the aerospace industry, CAD software helps engineers design and simulate aircraft parts. In architecture, CAD software is used to create detailed building plans and 3D models. These are just a few examples of how CAD software is changing the way we design and build things. In conclusion, mastering CAD software is one of the most important things you can do as a designer. It can help you create more complex designs, reduce errors, save time, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, investing in CAD software and training is a smart decision. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching. If you want to take your design skills to the next level, consider investing in CAD software like SolidWorks. With its powerful features and intuitive interface, it's the perfect tool for designers of all skill levels. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And don't forget to share this video with your colleagues and friends.